your problems taken care of before they become a problem for you. TCB, taking care of business, taking care of your business.
Hello, this is Andre with TCB. So today we're going to look into a common problem with network drives disconnecting either or not connecting at all on startup or after the network signal has dropped. So we wrote a little script here. I actually have it open in Notepad. But let's go ahead and look inside this folder first. So we have two files here. One's a PowerShell script, and one is a command line script. The command line script we're going to put in the startup folder, and the PowerShell script we'll put in a scripts folder. So this is going to fire off these two commands when Windows starts up. The second script is going to get fired off by the command line script. And all it's doing here is setting permissions and then looking for the mapped drives through PowerShell. After that, it's just going to connect to the drives so that we don't get any errors from not having a drive that's supposed to be connected is disconnected. So let's go ahead and do that. So we have two locations for these files to appear. We'll just go ahead and run them here. And you can see I already have this file here. And for this one, we have to create that folder. So if you don't have it already created, go ahead and create it. And that just lives on the root drive for that. So these scripts will fire off when Windows starts. The other thing we want to do is to have them start when Windows disconnects. So with that, we're going to use Task Scheduler. So Task Scheduler will allow me to come in here and create a task. We're going to set a trigger, create a new one, and we're going to do it on an event. Okay, so we're looking for Microsoft Windows Networks operational. And the source will be the network profile. And the event ID is going to be 10,000. Okay. We will click OK. We have conditions here. We want to put a check in this box. Start only if connection is available. And then we will add the action, which will be start a program, and the program's going to be, so we'll go ahead and point that at the command script that starts the PowerShell script. Click OK. We gave it a name, start on network connection, and click OK. So now this will start up whenever the network drops and reconnect the drives. And that should be it. Thank you.